Officers are called to a Walmart after a woman is stopped by loss prevention with a basket full of items and a receipt with only a handful of charges. The woman will try multiple tricks to get rid of officers and eventually go full hands-on.
Can I take this stuff for people? Like literally, like my ears are shit.
Ma'am, calm down.
Can I go?
What's up?
As soon as he's done,
Can you scan the beatbox? Let's go to the beatbox. Can you scan them?
Ma'am,
I just want him to scan the beatbox. You guys are thinking I'm
settle down. Don't make a scene.
I'm not making a scene. I really want to.
All right, I need you to calm down. I need you to relax, okay? All right, let him do his job.
I'm doing it. I'm letting him make the job.
Well, you're hindering him when you're talking to him and you're screaming at him. You're hindering him.
I'm not trying to scream.
All right, so just relax. Let him do his job. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Then the loss prevention specialist shows up.
One of the very good things on that page.
How much is it? None of this would have happened if you wouldn't have done what you did in the first place, okay? If you were literally stopped the first time to turn around and start doing it,
They stopped you over there because the machine wasn't working. I was paying for myself.
They stopped you.
They shouldn't stop me. I asked for help. I asked for help so she could finish the transaction for me. She said I couldn't go.
You were already doing what you were doing.
I'm not even everything.
Okay. The formula, the food, all that's on there?
all of these are in bags, so the chicken ones are in the bags.
Everything that's in that you guys can check. I literally have the receipt. Everything.
Still water in the bottom, people.
There's waters in the bottom that I paid
I already checked. 126 each.
on the top.
This one paid for. I don't know about this one.
Man, do you have ID on you?
The beatboxes.
Let me see your ID.
So what do you need my ID?
Don't make this a problem.
I don't have an
You're being
ID.
detained right now. So give me your ID.
It's on there.
You gotta show
Did they find anything that? Did they find anything that was scanned yet?
Yeah,
This is-
right there.
They did. Everything in here. Everything in there is scanned. That's not scanned. I don't know why, but this is scanned.
All right,
They're
so
asking
there
for
are
beatbox
some options. You can either be put in handcuffs.
I don't want to be put in handcuffs.
Okay,
because
so
my-
identify yourself.
I can identify myself. You want my ID? I can give it to you.
So these stuff were over here with these, but they were not
I
scanned.
literally went through the scanner. I went through the lady. I went through the lady, dog. I don't understand this. I went through the scan machine by yourself. They told me it was not working, so I went through. She sent me to another one. I came over here. She said I gotta go to another one. I came over here, and then he tells me
What's
I
your
have to
name?
go to
What's
the
your name?
thing. Lyrium.
All right, Larry, let me ask you a question. Were those clothes in your cart?
Yes, this
Did
was
you
on
pay
my
for 'em?
card. I supposedly I just gave it to
All
her.
right, you didn't pay for it. That's why you're being detained.
That's fine. You can
So be
detain me.
quiet.
I'm sorry.
412. $2 in that week.
I didn't get this one here. You guys can check the camera.
Leave the
So I'll leave the
beatbox right
boxes here.
The beatbox, I did not bring that in here.
there. The pink one's half drunk.
Because I came from the gas station, ma'am.
Okay.
I was in the gas station. I brought those from the gas station.
Okay. So you were drinking in the store then?
Is that a problem?
It is.
My bad.
You're not allowed to
Sorry.
drink in here.
My bad. I didn't know that.
That's about it.
I didn't even drink in the store. I drank it outside.
I know I didn't go through these, so they're in the back. Only the ones that were
You
allowed.
guys can go through everything. Please go through everything.
Except you want to go through everything?
I just want to go. There's only one item on this.
Can I see his photo, please?
No, it's supposed to be set.
That's the set. It's right here. It's in
Where's the
here.
other?
It's in here.
The top piece should be over there.
He took everything.
It's not BB caramel. It says popcorn chain, but it's not BB caramel. BB caramel, with the premium.
I paid for that.
And where is
That
it?
blue bunny caramel? Yeah, that's what that is. It looks
It's
like
pecan
it.
caramel. That's the one I paid for.
I'm helping you
You guys are, I literally have the receipt right here.
Relax.
Sorry.
Calm down. Chill out.
No,
We're doing our job. We're not stressing you out.
But you're stressing me out because
How are we stressing you out?
right outside.
Well, we can't let you go when you taking something over.
I'm not taking anything that doesn't belong
It's
to
right
me.
here.
I was supposed to be there. I literally went through the lady. She's right there.
Calm down. We're trying to help you, but you're making it
You're not
worse for
trying to help
yourself.
me. You're not trying to help me. You're really not trying to help me.
Okay.
Because I literally paid for that shit. You guys telling me I didn't. It's on the receipt, bro.
What's on the receipt?
I can show you my food stamp thing. I'm not like, bro.
Those clothes are on the receipt?
I'm not talking about clothes.
What are you talking about?
The clothes I paid with my cash app, which I paid with her.
Whoa, we're talking about that. I guess I'll give it to you.
The ice cream. I'm talking about the ice cream, which was paid for.
Hold on, we're talking about the clothes.
I'm gonna show you. I don't really want to fight. I really
Those
don't want
clothes
to fight. I'm
weren't
just
paid
gonna
for.
show you. I'm just gonna show you.
Oh, my old area, frozen. That's personal.
There is a message for you.
FCIC clear, 19-year-old white female, FCIC.
Yeah.
Get that information, what you're looking for, stuff on anything. Right? Headache, retail bag.
What do you say?
Depends on the price. So.
Well, if you guys want to, then
Depend on the price.
okay. It depends on how much. What's the limit?
Really $20. I'm not going to do that. So, got you goals. Me, I'm like 200 and up.
Oh well, I'm not even worried about the trespass. I'm talking about arresting her. That's what I was.
Trying to say it's not.
I know.
That's paid for. Yes, are my speculations.
Where's the U.S. vanilla? 16 ounce lotion. So that item right there, you can have that receipt back. That was the only thing on that receipt. You got all this?
Yes, these are all paid for.
Alright.
Just checking this right here, 1897.
You said the eggs were on there?
Next on there, check 12 count.
Having checked all items, they hope to take her to the loss prevention room for paperwork, but one thing leads to another.
Alright, at this point, go ahead and take her to the office. Because so far none of it's paid for.
Man,
Can you not take my bag? Can I call somebody, please?
I'm gonna hold it for you. Stop.
Can I please call somebody?
Put your
Can
hands
I
on your
please
back.
call somebody?
No,
Can
you
I
can't.
please call
No,
somebody?
you can't.
Yes, I can. I don't have.
See, this is not how that works.
I understand how it works, but can I please call somebody? Can I get ahead of it, please? Damn.
No, you can't.
Really? Really? Cut it out.
I literally went through the thing. Y'all can check the cameras.
Cut it out.
Y'all can check the cameras. I'm not playing, bro. I didn't. No, I have no reason to steal this. You just broke my nail, bro.
Okay,
That's on you.
Tensing up and pushing. We're gonna come this way.
You don't have to hold me that
Are you gonna?
You're gonna get charged for
Bring it to the car.
resisting.
Wait, no. We're gonna take it to the
Y'all
car.
breaking all my shit. All my.
Not yours. Relax.
All right.
Calm down.
Oh my.
There's kids here.
My ID. I just need my ID. Can y'all give me?
You're gonna go to jail for resisting if you don't
I don't
stop.
want to resist. I just want y'all to give me.
You're gonna go to jail for resisting if you don't stop.
Oh my gosh, bro. I just want y'all to give me my.
Calm down.
Bro, my. Just can I call my mom, bro? My baby. I'm 3 years old, bro. Stop.
Stop.
Get out. This side.
This side?
All right. Shut up.
Stop. Don't tell me to shut up. Bro,
Wait,
y'all
let me
chill
try
out. Chill the out.
Stop.
No, bro. Y'all can please call my baby. That's all I want to do. I don't care if y'all take me to jail. Can I please just call the baby?
Spread your
I
legs.
need to let her know I'm in jail.
We're gonna have you call her.
I
Relax.
need to let her know I'm in jail. That's all I
We
wanna do.
are. We are.
That's all I want to do, please.
Calm down. We are.
Does she have
I
this?
want to make sure my baby's okay.
We're gonna give you the call. Relax.
Bro.
Calm down.
Headphone just fell out.
I got you. I'm gonna take it up.
Okay, y'all have me in cuffs already. I'm not gonna run and y'all let me go.
No, it doesn't work that way.
You have me in cuffs.
You wanna get
already.
tased?
No, I don't.
Chill
want to
out.
walk.
Spread your legs. So I spread your legs.
No.
Alright.
Bro.
You're gonna get tased. Chill out.
Bro, I just wanna. Can you take my glasses off? Can you take the glasses off? Bro, hold on.
You just asked us to take off the glasses.
Okay, the glasses. I ain't take my chain off.
Calm down.
Everything's
Relax.
coming off.
Everything has to go with me back.
Yeah, to the jail.
Bro.
Stop moving. You're gonna rip your hair.
Please. I need to call my baby. I need to call my baby. Please, I need to call my baby. Please, I need to call my baby. I need to call my baby.
Okay, you can do that later.
No, not later. I don't have her phone number. I don't know her phone number. Yeah, just please note down the phone number. That's all I want. You guys can take me to jail. I just want to note down the phone number. I just want the phone number.
Stop.
I made that number for no reason. I'm not even touching you.
Crazy.
Bro, I just want to talk to the baby. That's it.
Where's it?
Please, just can somebody talk to me like a grown person? I don't want to argue. Please, can you talk to me? I will calm down, please. I will calm down. I just want to talk to somebody. I just want to let my grandma know. She has my baby, guys.
I'll call your grandma. Relax.
You don't have her number.
Do you have it?
Yes, it's on the phone. That's all I want to do. I just want to call her.
What's your code?
102405. Can you open the door so I can let you know which contact it is? I don't want to argue. I just want to let my baby know. Oh, my bag, my ID.
Our radio fell.
Get radio.
Yeah,
I need all my stuff, guys.
hold on. Hey, you want to go get it for me?
Yeah.
I think it fell.
Yeah, I'm gonna get your radio.
I just want to talk
All right.
to somebody, please. Just talk to me.
Relax. Hold on. Let me
Can you fix my shirt? My boob is all out, please.
I'll have her fix it for you. Hold on.
Please, just fix my shirt.
You want me, I'm trying to call your grandma. Relax.
Okay, go to contacts.
right.
That phone doesn't work. It's the blue one. It's the blue one. I have two phones. It's another one.
The blue one's in your bag?
Yes, it should be in there on the car. It should be in there. I had it with me.
I got you. I'll get the blue one. Calm down.
At this point, the officer goes to grab the woman's phone inside her purse, but as soon as he opens it, he comes across more mystery items.
Bro, please fix my shirt. My boob is all out.
I'll have the other officer fix your shirt for you.
Bro, please. I don't need this.
You got stuff in your bag,
Ma'am,
too?
please, can you fix my shirt? It's all out.
This might belong to Walmart.
Ma'am, please, my boob is all out.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'm trying to find your phone. I'll have her fix it for you.
It's not in there. I literally said it was in the car. I had it with me with the baby.
All right, let me go get it.
Y'all got this too tight.
What does she want?
She wants her phone, but it's in the car.
Oh yeah, it is in the cart.
All right, I'm gonna get your phone to see if this belongs to Walmart.
Those are all in her bag.
Yeah, these were in her bag.
Yeah, those are Walmart. Are those Walmart?
I don't know. Find out.
Not even Walmart.
We're gonna find out.
Somewhere else.
Go find out. All I had, that's not even Walmart. That's been in my bag. Can you fix my shirt? My boob is all out. And can you get my other phone?
Move your foot.
Can you get my other phone?
Move your foot.
I don't care. Can you get my other foot?
Your foot is gonna get messed up.
I don't care. Move. Bro, can you get my other phone? You gonna hit me?
Okay.
You gonna hit me?
Alright, it's time for prosecution.
She just kicked me, so she's getting that, Leo.
Yep. I'm gonna.
Bro, I just want to talk to my baby.
You're lucky I didn't punch you just now.
I just want to
Alright,
talk
let's
to
see.
the baby.
That Leo
Y'all won't help me.
resist
I just want to talk to her.
retail theft as of now.
That's all I want to do.
So
I
I mean, you could either do
baby.
resist with violence or bad Leo, but I say do bad Leo.
I'm gonna do the bat Leo because she just kicked me. And I'll do the resisting as well, or just not. They're both. I mean,
I'm trying to understand. I'm trying to let y'all know where the phone is at, so you can get to the phone and call my grandma. That's all
Say
it is.
throw in both. So resist with, resist without, bad Leo, and retail theft. This is their stuff here.
but the retail theft part,
I'm
we gotta.
working on that. I will help you with all of that. For bad Leo, you just gotta put that she kicked you.
Oh no, yeah, but I'm just wondering. I'm not doing anything else. I just opened the door and you kicked me. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done.
Stressful it is to live in this world.
Bad Leo, resist, and
I didn't resist. You guys arrested me. I didn't want to resist.
I can't believe she just kicked me.
I didn't want to kick you. You guys are being bro. Oh my God, you guys gonna
37 alpha 56.
Must be a good one. Did you call my grandma?
She just kicked me.
Did you call my grandma?
Yeah. I opened the door to fix her shirt for her, and she's pushing her feet at the door, and I can't get it closed. I tell her to go in. She literally kicks me.
Can you just get the phone so I can call her?
No, I'm good. I think he said he's gonna work on the retail theft part of it. But then where are the tags from those?
So the tags are under.
Are DD's, which is down there.
Yeah, the receipt, I have it. They're in the bag. Look for the bag. The receipts are in the bag.
They then head to the county jail for booking.
Just go over there. Do the same thing as stand over there when he was. Huh? Right there when he was. You're gonna put your handcuffs in the front. Just go over there.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. The 19-year-old woman is charged with retail theft, resisting an officer without violence, and battery on a law enforcement officer. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence means someone knowingly interferes, obstructs, or opposes an officer performing their duties. Examples can look like refusing lawful commands, pulling away, tensing up, not allowing handcuffs, or issuing verbal refusals to comply with detention or arrest. Under Florida Statute 784.07, battery on a law enforcement officer is when you intentionally touch or strike an officer against their will or cause bodily harm while the officer is lawfully performing official duties and the defendant knows the person is an officer. This is a first-degree felony. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Not yours. Relax. Calm down.
Oh my.
There's kids here.
My ID. I just need my ID. Can y'all give me my
You're gonna go to jail for resisting if you don't stop.
I don't want to resist. I just want y'all to give me my
You're gonna go to jail for resisting if you don't stop.
oh my gosh, bro. I just want y'all to give me my
Calm down.
Bro, my just can I call my mom, bro? My baby! I'm 3 years old, bro! Stop!
Stop. Stop. This side. All right. Shut up.
Stop! Don't tell me to stop! Bro,
Wait,
chill out! Chill the out!
Stop!
Come on, bro! Y'all can I please call the baby? That's all I want to do! I don't care if y'all take me to jail. Can I please just call the baby?